They think 2026 is just another year. They're wrong. Historians don't count years, they count turning points. 1999 was the internet. 2008 was the crash. 2026? This is the year the pilot program ends and the deployment begins. But before I tell you why 2026 is different, please take a second to subscribe to the Missing Syllabus channel. Our goal is to teach you everything school forgot, and this year, you're gonna need it the most. Last year, you asked AI to write an email. You were in control. This year, your boss doesn't ask you, they ask the AI. That's not an upgrade, that's a replacement. The difference isn't subtle, it's about who gets paid. And right now, the answer is shifting from you to the thing that does your job faster, cheaper, and without complaining. For 5 years, AI was a toy. Now it's infrastructure. And infrastructure doesn't coexist with the old system, it replaces it. 2026 is the year you pick a side. You either become irreplaceable or you become invisible. There is no middle. The commodities do work that can be replicated. They memorize, follow instructions, complete tasks. If your job is a checklist, you're not competing with humans anymore. You're competing with software that doesn't sleep. The irreplaceables do work that requires judgment, synthesis, and human connection. They don't just answer questions, they ask better ones. Here's what most people miss. Irreplaceable is easier than you think, because most people won't even try. They'll scroll, they'll coast, and that's exactly why they'll disappear. You don't need to be a genius. You need 3 skills. Judgment, know which answer matters. Synthesis, find patterns nobody else saw. Connection, make someone trust you. That's it. 2026 will be the best year of your life or the hardest. The difference isn't luck, it's understanding that the rules changed while you were asleep. Average is over. Pick a side. You just have to choose to be irreplaceable, and that choice starts right now. If you want the full syllabus, the skills they never taught you, subscribe, like, and share, because 2026 is just the beginning.